Hey guys, it's Jen from beautyriotx, and today we are going to be doing the first part of our Battle of the Boxes. Now, if you've seen my channel before, you know the drill. Beauteque, which is the Korean box, is always a month behind, so this is actually December's box for Beauteque, and it'll be pitted against January 2018's box, BoxyCharm. I had a really bad dream last night. My kids were like being kidnapped, and like I kept waking up, and then I would go back to sleep and the dream would like resume. It was horrific. You know what, I don't know why, but I feel like for the last few months, I just haven't been that excited about Beauteque for some reason. I don't know why. So as usual, it comes with this. It's kind of wrapped up a little bit, and we're just gonna dive right in. As usual, all the information will be down below. God damn it, I totally forgot about this. They used to have, like, they still put a card in here, so why don't you just put the information on the card instead of making me go to the website to look it up? All right, so the first thing I see is something I'm already happy about. This is the, I love CosRx pimple patches that they have, like they're blemish spots that I use, but this is something different, but they're still patches. So let me see what this is actually all about. This is called the Clear Fit Master Patch. It comes with 18 patches in here. This retails for $6. New from the brand that brought you the beloved Acne Pimple Master Patch. That's what I have. This is the new Clear Fit patch. Boasts the same fluid absorbing properties as the Acne Pimple patch, only designed for daytime use. The thinner material, you can actually wear this under makeup. So if you don't know what like pimple patches are, they're these little patches that you put on top of your pimples, and like the longer they're on, it like draws out the oils and impurities and almost brings like the blemish to the top of the skin so it goes away faster. They're amazing. I love these. And even though the other ones aren't made for like daytime use, I still go out with them because looking at like a clear patch on your face is much nicer than looking at like this disgusting pimple. Ugh. All right, the next thing I see are, charcoal facial cleansing wipes. And these retail for $6. Again, there's 15 in here, and these are facial wipes. We all know what these do. All right, the next, I don't love these. I just don't use them. These are the Kerr foot care packs. These just give you nice feeling feet. I'll pass this on because, like I said, I probably won't use it. And that retails for $6 again. Oh, okay, so right here we have it's called the Real Ampule Color Corrector. Open this and see. Okay, so it's a clicky pen. And I'm assuming it's like the peach color. That's cool. I don't actually have, actually no, I'm lying. I do have one of these by Tarina Tarantino, but it's almost gone, so I will definitely use this when that is gone. Aerotom Real Ampule Color Corrector. This retails for $8.99. Don't let trouble skin dull your shine. Fake it till you make it. These ultra hydrating color correctors neutralize discoloration for a flawless canvas. The peach, which is what I have, eliminates under eye circles and dark spots. Cool. This is the Botanic Farm Grain Ferment Cleansing Water. Anything that's fermented, I'm like obsessed about. So good for your skin. So this retails for $20. Gently cleanse, hydrate skin, and treat it at the same time. Fermented ingredients are renowned for their ability, why couldn't I say that? To bring out the skin's inner radiance. This cleansing water contains 3 kinds of grain ferment. Rice ferment, rice bran ferment, and soybean ferment. Dissolves makeup while softening skin, leaving a fresh, clean glow. Jesus Lord. So this would probably be something I would use in the morning after I wake up because I don't have much to take off my face. Cool, definitely use that. And the last product in here is by Elizveka. I think that's how you pronounce it. This is the, oh dear God, what does this even say? This is the CF Nest 97% BJO serum. Oh, you. These always have like little pigs on them. They're just cute. This is the CF Nest 97% BJO serum. Restore your skin's natural glow with this rejuvenating serum. Formulated with 97% Swiftlet Nest extract to improve skin's texture and ability to regenerate. That's pretty awesome. I've never heard of any of this. I'm gonna research it, but it comes in this nice glass bottle, so I always trust stuff in glass bottles. I don't know why. All right, so that was it for my Beauteque box for December. I think that was actually a really good box. Probably one of the better boxes I've gotten in the last few months, so my opinion has just changed, and I'm once again excited about Beauteque. Okay, so that was it, guys. Keep watching for BoxyCharm. All right, so now on to January's BoxyCharm. All right, so the first thing I see is by Dr. Brandt, and this is the Pores No More Luminizer Primer. This delivers a natural radiant glow while blurring pores and imperfections. I wonder if it's silicone based. It says non-comedogenic, so I think that's how you say that word. I don't know. Ooh, I think it is actually silicone, but it doesn't feel like heavy slick silicone, I will definitely use this. Ooh, I'm excited. And this retails for $38. All right, the next thing is by Galactic Beauty. I love them. All right, so this is the matte lip paint in Demure. Ooh, it looks like a, ooh, that's nice. It's kind of, it's like not orange, but kind of orange. It's like a warm nude, dusty rose kind of color. Very pretty, I will definitely try that. And that retails for $23, the lip paint. The next is by IT Cosmetics, and this is the Brow Power Universal Brow Pencil. I think I've heard about this. This retails for $24. And it looks like we have two, okay, we have a spoolie and we have, and it has a slightly kind of oval tip, which I kind of like. Oh, that's nice. Okay, it's kind of like a light medium taupey color. All right, the next is by Pure. I always get scared when I see Bronze and Brighten because I'm pretty sure, please don't have glitter in it, I'm begging you. This is the Bronze and Brighten Cheek Palette. This retails for $34. I love the middle. This is okay, but no to that. But I'm gonna swatch them all anyway. That color is insane. I mean, I couldn't even imagine even lightly putting that on your cheeks. And I love me some orange cheek stuff, but this is just a little too much. The middle color is gorgeous, right here. They're all very chunky though. And then the bronze is, of course, like metallic bronze, which, I mean, it will have to be used as an eye color, but I mean, it's nice packaging and stuff. All right, and the last product in here is by Crown Brush, and this is the Glam Metals palette. Ooh, these are really pretty. Everything is metallic except for this kind of dark gray color down here. They're nice. You can't really see that well, but they're okay. They're not fantastic, but they're not bad. So this was a very good box, I have to say. I'll definitely try all these. I love BoxyCharm, I always will, but I think this month I'm gonna give it 2. So, congratulations, you did it! World's best cup of coffee. That was it. I hope you guys enjoyed my Battle of the Boxes. If you want to see more, please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notifications to be alerted to when I upload again. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.